Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to pin your TikTok live goal on top of the comments. Pinning your live goal helps you achieve it because once you pin it, everyone will be seeing your live goal and they will send you more gifts so that you can achieve your live goal. So guys, keep this video to the end if you want to know how to pin your live goal on TikTok. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now guys, the first thing you're going to do is to add your live goal before going live on TikTok. If you don't have this live goal feature on TikTok, make sure you go to the description and press on the link I've added to the video so that you can see how to apply for this option if you don't have it. And those who don't know how to set a live goal, I've also added the link to the video showing you how to set and apply for the live goal. Go and watch those videos if you don't know how to do it. Now guys, make sure that you add your live goal and then after you go live. Now guys, this is how you can pin your live goal on TikTok in comments so that everyone can see it. Right there is your live goal. Press on your live goal if you want to pin it. Make sure you press on it. After pressing on live goal, TikTok will bring you to this page. Make sure you press up on pin. Press on pin, and after pressing on pin, your live goal will be pinned in your comments so that everyone can see the live goal and they gift you on TikTok. The more you pin your live goal, the more gifts you get, because once you pin it, every viewer on your live will be able to see the live goal and they start gifting you. Some viewers need to be reminded that you have a live goal, so pinning it in your comments, it will allow them to see it and gift you. Don't forget to like the video guys, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.